Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm not cooking any dishes or any recipe, but just want to come and share with you some simple technique. You see, yesterday I had a burn mark from the hot pot. You know, sometimes when we work in the kitchen, it's very prone that accident will happen with, sometimes the oil splash or hot water or even a hot pot when we accidentally touch it, and then you might burn our hands, right? So for you guys, when you get burnt like that, what do? I heard a lot of people who put toothpaste or just rinse it with cold water and or don't do anything. For this mark, actually I did not put anything. That's why it leaves like a water bag in there, and once this water bag bursts and it become a fresh wound, so it's quite painful also. Anyway, today I have some good news to share with you. I normally get burned a lot from the hot pot or hot water or even oil splash. When working in the kitchen a lot, then you cannot keep away from all these kind of things. So it's very good that if you know how to treat it using home remedy, right? For myself, over the years, whenever I get burns, right, I will use sugar. This is sugar, just a normal fine sugars in our house that we use for cooking or for dessert, right? So whenever you get burn or hot water, burn with hot water or oil splash, or even when you touch the hot pot and your hand got burned or something like that, right? Don't contact with water. Just immediately dry up the area and then just pour the sugar over it. Just for example, if I get hot water burned around this area, right, which I have been before on my hand on top, this one with the hot water, which was quite serious. It was very painful, and what I did was I just wipe it off with the dry kitchen towel. Just wipe off water or the oil, and then immediately, right, you can just take the sugar and put over it like that. Okay, just cover on a bit thicker. I don't know what the sugar have the reaction with the heat on our skin, but it's really help, right? You just leave it for about 10 minutes. Okay, if you want we don't want the sugar to fall off from your hand, so we just need to do it still like that, and you can just cover with a tissue or something like that and cover it for about 10 minutes, and then after that you can just wash it off and rinse it off, and then you will not feel any pain or it won't be too hot, and then there will no more this kind of water bag inside, and will have no marks at all. So the burn mark will just totally dry off by itself. This is something that I have been sharing with my friends or my family, whoever that I know, but just today I just want to share with you guys. Whoever watching this video, just a simple home remedy to treat the burn mark from when you do cooking. So all right, just to share with you simple technique. If anyone have a different kind of method to share, you can leave a comment below, just to share with anyone that what do you do to help to treat your burn wound or burn mark. And this is how I do, and for over the years I've been working in the kitchen, and I got burned a lot of time, and I have no marks on my hands or my arm or anything. All right, next time if you come across this kind of things, you may want to try this method. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more of my simple tips like this. Thank you and bye bye.